Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at the quickest way to underline text using a keyboard shortcut. This is a universal shortcut that works perfectly across Microsoft Word, Google Docs, your email, and almost any typing software. Let us jump right in. If you have already typed your text, simply highlight the word or sentence you want to emphasize. Once your text is selected, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and press the letter U. Your text is now instantly underlined. For Mac users, the process is identical. Just highlight your text, hold down the Command key and press the letter U. You can also use this exact same shortcut on the fly. If you are typing and want the next word to be underlined, press Ctrl and U. Everything you type from that moment forward will be underlined. When you are ready to go back to normal text, just press Ctrl and U one more time to turn the underline off. It works perfectly as a toggle switch, on and off. This completely eliminates the need to stop typing, and use your mouse to find the underline button on your screen. Thank you for watching ClearTask. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more direct software solutions. See you in the next one.